Suggest a hybrid model.
Okay.
50%, whatever the government of India wanted to increase their seats up to 272.
Okay.
Out of 272, 136 is 50%.
Okay.
They can take a pro rata in 136.
Okay.
Another 136 based on the GSDP. So economic index, according to that, they have to take a decision. But this is my proposal. I'm not saying that exactly you take this opinion. But they have to discuss with all stakeholders, including political parties who are representing in the country.
Is this a political gimmick, sir? Is this a political gimmick?
So they are doing political. They are not doing political. They are damaging permanently for the country,
Okay.
which is not correct. So if they wanted to win the 2029 election, they can take any other decision. Not exactly this. Time and again, I wanted to tell. Women reservation is something different from enhancing of the seats and delimitation. So we are firmly committed for women reservation. We are there to support to government of India.
Sir, you have been advocating this women reservation, but when it comes to implementation or election, every party forgets, even be it regional or national, forgets about this reservation.
So you are reading between the lines. Not exactly. We only gave voting right for women in after freedom in country. We have given rural local bodies and urban local body reservation. We only passed the Rajya Sabha bill for women reservation. Congress is committed for women reservation. We only made, Congress party has made President of India woman, Prime Minister of India woman, Congress party president, Lok Sabha speaker, as well as governor and chief ministers. So women empowerment is in our DNA. Whereas in BJP, I am asking you, Bashir, 1980 April 6th is BJP Foundation Day. So till date 46 years, they have appointed 15 party presidents. Till date they have not appointed single woman as a party president, single woman as a party general secretary organization. They cannot teach us. We know. Congress party knows everything how to empower women.
Further,
So we have to build consensus with the smaller states and southern states. We are working on that. Definitely we will come up with a certain proposal. 16th, 17th, 18th I am going to Delhi. We'll discuss with all political parties and stakeholders. Thank you.